That's too much hook. If you're hooking the ball too much, like I just did there, you're probably making some of the mistakes that I just did on that swing. I'm going to review a few of those for you. Number one, when I hit that gigantic hook right there, I aimed my body the other way, to the right. I had the ball back in my stance, and I had a strong grip. So I'll do it this way. The ball was back in my stance, I aimed to the right, and I had a real strong grip. I was also standing a long ways away from the ball, which gives me more of a roundhouse kind of swing. This way. And the club face turned over too much. So in order to hit a hook, the club face has to be closed at impact in relationship to the swing path. Well, that's pretty simple. If I'm swinging out to the right and my club face is closed, the ball is going to have a pretty serious hook to it. Now, we'd all like to hit that nice little tight draw out there. I'm all for that. But if you're snap hooking your driver or hitting some big pull long hooks like that one right there, you need to back off a little bit and make some corrections. And I want to go through those corrections for you right now. First of all, at address, I'd like you to stand closer to the golf ball. That's going to help eliminate that roundhouse swing. So actually stand uncomfortably close to the ball. One of the things, when I worked with Sam Snead, who's gone now, but one of the really great players of all time, he used to start too close to the ball, he told me, and then kind of back away, which is a pretty good little tip, because you really never want to reach for the golf ball and have your weight out toward your toes. That's a real poor position. So maybe a little close to it and then back up a little bit. That will give you the feeling that you can take the club a little more up on your backswing, which is really going to help you. When you get away from it and round this thing out, you're going to also tend to get the club a little more shut in your backswing. Certainly when I had that strong grip, club way down in my fingers and rolled over, that also is really going to encourage that closed club face. So the other thing I'm going to do here at address is put the club a little more up across my fingers and underneath the pad of my hand right here. And when I look down, I'd like to just see 2 knuckles, not 3 or 4. So one easy way to do that is to hold the club up here in front of you. You can see your grip and see if you have your hands on there good. You can open up your left hand and see that the club is underneath that pad and shuts on, that looks like this. Not where it's turned over all the way into your fingers and turned all the way over where you don't have any really of this part of your hand on the golf club. Okay, so now I'm in a little closer to it. I've got my grip on there a little better. It's going to be much easier for me to swing the club and have it just draw just a little bit. Now I'd love that shot right there, just a little draw on it, not that big roundhouse hook. So here's a final tip for you that's going to be absolutely critical. Anybody that hooks it too much tends to stall out with the body. The body stops and the hands and arms wrap, we call it, or fly past your body, and you end up flipping the club over this way, and your body's stopped. So a huge key is to keep your rotation going through the shot, to turn through it. If you do that with a small swing, something that's manageable, you could take the club back a short way and then just rotate through. So you kind of get the feeling that the way you're hitting it is with a turn through. And that will absolutely take that hook out of there if you get that body moving a lot faster and turning out of the way. It might even cause that ball to go off to the right a little bit, but it'll stop that vicious hook. You just can't play with a real big hook or a snipe hook in your bag. So I hope those ideas will help you. Get rid of that giant hook, straighten your golf ball out. The tight draw is great, or the straight ball, but use those ideas and I think you're going to get a lot better.